For 2024, the most trendy color for living room decoration that is inspired by nature is undoubtedly green. As a general guideline, lighter shades of green can tone down rooms filled with warm oranges and pinks, while deeper greens serve as attractive accents in neutral spaces. In cases where there is limited natural light or low ceilings, it may be beneficial to enhance the cozy ambience by painting your walls in a soothing shade of gray. If you're worried about overdoing blue in your living room, you might be tempted to keep other decorations to a minimum. However, there are other design options available. Consider adding warm, rusty reds, cozy mustard shades, and plenty of patterns to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. While white can appear harsh and overly clean, these effects can be balanced out by incorporating cozy elements like painted wood accents and a luxurious off-white carpet. Brown room ideas have the potential to exude an inviting, warming, and sophisticated ambience. Despite its occasional perception as monotonous, incorporating elements like burnt orange or mint green can uplift the color and enhance its appeal. Soft hues of rose have gained popularity as the preferred neutral in trendy designs. However, it is when paired with vibrant pastels that its delicate charm truly shines, creating the perfect ambience for pink living rooms. As a general guideline in black living room, we would suggest using an off-black color that has hints of graphite gray or is combined with a gentle blue tone. Opting for a subtle sheen on the black surface will help to enhance the reflection of natural light. If you desire a light yet cozy color for your living room, the warmest neutral shade of beige is an excellent option. While pale pastels may not be an obvious choice, we admire the refreshing and uplifting ambience they add to this space. Pink is making a gradual comeback in interior design, with Dulux choosing a soft blush as their color of the year for 2024. The preference leans towards more subtle shades, such as Whisper Soft Rose, Natural Clay, or Reddish Mauve. The walls that are painted in a cooler shade of yellow with green undertones, giving a fresh and citrusy feel. To balance the brightness, natural materials such as wooden furniture, stone fireplace, and wool carpet are used to soften the impact,